Hey guys, what's up? Welcome. It's super early in the morning. I'm getting ready for work. And I honestly don't have that much time because I went to the gym this morning and also made breakfast, and I even did a little bit of dishes. I don't know how I managed to squeeze that in, but now my makeup routine is kind of on the back burner. So I'm just going to show you very quickly how I do my makeup when I'm in a hurry. Maybe this is more of a quick and easy 10-minute makeup routine tutorial, which I think is very practical for many women out there. So excuse my sleepy face, excuse my messy bathroom, but this is my quick and easy morning makeup routine.
So first I'm starting out with moisturizer. I do this every morning and every night. I use the Garnier Skin Active Moisture Balm. This is great for oily or combination skin types. I have combination skin. Some areas are dry, some are oily, and so this is a water-based moisturizer that keeps the oils at bay but still gives me the moisturization that I need. And next I'll be going in with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm just dotting this all over my skin. I want to do it kind of quickly, that way it doesn't dry in these dots. I pretty much always put a little bit of foundation on my neck just so that everything looks even. I don't have any harsh lines if the color doesn't match perfectly. Now I'm taking a dampened beauty sponge and just bouncing that all over my face to blend in the foundation. If your beauty sponge is dampened, it won't soak up as much product. You can also use a brush for this step. It's a little bit faster to use a brush. I just really like the natural finish that the beauty sponge gives. And next I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and putting that underneath my eyes to hide my dark circles, and as well as in the center of my face on my chin, Cupid's bow, tip of my nose, and my forehead, and this just kind of highlights those areas. I'm doing a very just quick and sloppy version of all of this. I don't do it nice and neat and the correct way every single day. And I'm just taking my beauty sponge again and blending all of that in. And you have to make this face while you do it, otherwise it doesn't work. Now I'm taking Peach Perfect by Too Faced. This is a really amazing setting powder that I've discovered recently. And I'm just using my dampened beauty blender again and getting some of that powder and setting my under eye, and this is going to prevent creasing in all of the areas that I place the powder. And I just want to say that this powder smells absolutely amazing, smells just like peaches, and it literally is the best tasting thing in the world as well. Every morning I can't help but just lick off the excess on my lips. Kind of gross because it's makeup, but it's so delicious, so I don't know, it's fine. Now just taking a big fluffy brush, brushing off the excess powder and licking it off again. And I'm taking a bronzer and I'm just kind of slightly contouring, but mostly just adding a little bit of color to my face. And I put this on my cheekbones to give myself a little definition and color, on my jawline, and around the perimeters of my forehead to bronze up my skin. Again, just doing a quick and sloppy version of this, not doing a full contour. Since I have pretty thick eyebrows, I usually just shape them with a little brush to make sure that everything's in place and they look neat and groomed, but that's about all that I need to do. If you have thinner eyebrows, you may need to fill them in, but when I'm just trying to hurry through the day, I don't worry about it so much. Doing a quick highlight just to give my skin a more glowy finish. Sorry about all the downtime here. I'm doing a very simple edit with this video if you can't tell. Now I'm taking this Colorpop Golden State of Mind palette, and all of the shades in this palette are shimmers. So I'm kind of just taking one of the shades on my finger and putting it all over. So it's going to be a very, very simple eye look. Using your finger or a dampened brush with any shimmery shades is really going to give you the max color and shine. And here I'm just taking a slightly lighter shimmery shade and going over the center of my eyelid with that to really give it some shine. Now I'm taking my Stila liquid eyeshadow in Diamond Dust. This is a beautiful shimmery glitter. And I'm just dotting this on my eyelid, and I'm going to go in with my finger and kind of dab out where I placed it to spread out the glitter and blend it in. It just gives it a little extra pop. Now going in with my white highlighter, I'm highlighting the inner corners of my eyes. This is a great trick when you're tired, like I was filming this video and like I am now filming this voiceover. Gosh, I'm just tired all the time. Does anybody else feel like that? But highlighting the inner corners of your eyes is going to give you a little more awake look. Now I'm doing my usual cat eye eyeliner. This is not perfect. Some days it turns out great, some days it doesn't. I just do the best that I can. And you know what? It's all you can do some days. Now I'm taking a little sample size of Benefit's new mascara roller lash, which I really like this mascara, by the way. If you haven't tried it, definitely recommend. Just putting a little bit of that on my top and bottom lashes. Just one layer, nothing crazy, nothing fancy, no fake eyelashes. Nobody has time for that on a regular day. Again, you have to make the crazy faces. I don't know how people don't do that. Now I'm just quickly slapping on some blush. I use the Fit Me Maybelline blush. And then spritzing on a little all-nighter setting spray to set everything in place and kind of calm down those powders that I put on. And obviously I can't put on mascara without getting it all over my under eye. So just kind of going in and touching up those little places that I made a mistake, because mistakes happen. This is real life. Last but not least, I'm going to wipe off the excess foundation on my lips and just put on either a little chapstick or Aquaphor and call it good for the day.
Okay guys, that's it. That is how I usually do my makeup, kind of quickly in the morning. This is definitely a look that says I tried and I gave a shit this morning, but there's definitely some steps in there that show you how to do things a little quicker to save yourself some time. So it looks like a full glam, but it doesn't take the time of a full glam. I think that was about, it's been about 20 minutes, but I'm also doing an intro and a close and not moving quite as quickly as I could be. So, and there's of course steps that you can leave out. And there's of course steps you can leave out. You don't have to highlight, you don't have to do a full wing liner. You can always just throw on some mascara with this look and call it good. But yeah, overall, pretty easy. I need some coffee. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you leave. And thank you guys so much for being here, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.